It's your boy TF, Tallfrenchy, True Facts. Alright, so today I'm coming to a video with this for dreadlock people. This is how to blunt the end tips of your dreadlocks. I understand a lot of people have videos on this, and I don't know. It's just cock-a-doodle butt, alright? I don't know. I'm gonna make a video about it. It's gonna be different, I guess, in some way. But here you go. First, you're gonna need... Well, what I use is a 1.5 mm crochet hook. I don't know if you can see that. It's about as small as my, yeah, you already know. Slight complaint. Alright. So, let me unreveal the locks of the dreads. So, I can put it in a, throw that thing in a, and throw that thing in a pony. Alright guys, so let me find one. I gotta find one. I gotta look. So hold on. Alright, well, so I guess there's one right in the front, which is right here. See how I have this extra? Alright. So what I do is I'll take the crochet hook facing me so I feel more comfortable doing it. I'll go to the bottom of the dread. You guys see that? I go to the bottom of the dread. I'll take this piece, I'll turn it over like this, and then I'll just start going like this. And when I go in, when I pull it in, sometimes I go up, I pull a little bit down, then I go in, I will pull it out, then I'll turn it around, and keep going. You don't want to be too hard because you don't want to be breaking your hairs, guys. Okay? So, you go in, or you could wrap it around it. It's another way. And then you pull that piece in. Boom. Already you can see that that long piece isn't sitting at the end anymore. It's in here on the side. So what you want to do there is keep going at it, keep pulling down, keep twisting and turning, turn. I might as well do my whole dread at that point. Alright. Now, you have a blunt tip. Sorry for this horrible recording. And that's how you get a blunt tip, guys, alright? Other people say that you go down like that. So, we put it in there. Now I'm all the way down, right? And then you start pulling up. You could do that after you do what I just told you. Because after the hair is already looped, like you have a long string here, after it is already looped and you pulled it through, right? Then now you have a loop to pull up when you go like this. So that's blunting dreadlocks. I hope you can see it. I hope that that helped you out, guys. So, it's TF Tallfrenchy True Facts. Check out my last video of me bringing back jerking, because jerking isn't dead. But anyways, peace out. Have a great day. Comment down below. Video will be in the description. Yeah, Tallfrenchy merch coming soon. Peace, guys.